Do you use 3GS or other framework?
We did use 3GS. It's a cloud-based software. We use another kernel for the geometry, but for taking it online and doing the computation, we use 3GS.
How can I model a chair in your app from scratch?
To do that, you will actually need to go over some video tutorials that we launch. So it's not going to be simply, I won't be able to explain it to you in this Q&A session.
Seemed a bit confusing. May I ask you to tell what is your product doing? Maybe a user case?
Yeah, thanks for the question. I guess it was a bit confusing since you asked. So the fundamental core software that we developed is a CAD software, computer-aided design, which enables to create 3D models. And it's cloud-based, and it's about computational design, which is some niche thing that allows to create parametric models not with coding, but with adding some nodes and connecting them using call it graphic user interface. Someone help me.
API.
Like, you know Scratch? If anybody knows Scratch, so you can code in Scratch without coding. Ours is not using that interface, but basically it's doing similar thing. Without coding, you can create models. Graphic.
Thank you. I like the idea. Have you talked to any potential customers? And there was another question. What's the stage of the startup?
Yes, thanks for the question. We did talk to potential clients. We have one commitment that we are discussing. We have a meeting next week. And we have a few other companies that are actually interested, but they want to come in at a later stage and answer the other question, what stage we are. So the software, the editor itself is in the alpha version. We are planning to release the beta version in 6 months. And then afterwards, we can start actually implementing that for the configurators.
Who are your competitors? As I know, IKEA already has a feature like that.
Frankly speaking, not. IKEA does offer customization. Their customization is limited to inserting fixed size blocks, while our configurators, they are more parametric. You can pretty much change any dimension without being limited to sticking fixed blocks. So it enables to offer a lot more customization. And when you order some product with that configurator, the seller will automatically receive fabrication drawings. And if he's using a CNC or a 3D printer, he'll get this DXF or STL file that he can run on his machine to produce it.
Thank you very much. My brain is already mixed. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you, Leonie.